Okay, so I need a new flower pot, and I have this IKEA pot, which is pretty large, but the problem with it is that there's no hole at the bottom, and effectively for me makes it useless as a flower pot. And I think because this isn't that expensive and I have no other use for it, what I'm gonna try to do is to drill a hole in it. I've been Googling around, is it possible to drill into ceramic without getting any special bits or anything like that? And I think it is. This thing isn't expensive enough to warrant going out and buying a ceramic bit. I don't have any. I probably should. I don't. So I do have some nice metal bits. That's a 1/4 inch DeWalt. I have a drill, and I'm gonna give it a shot. I think the thing I'm gonna start off with is I'll start on the underside. That way I don't have to worry about the glaze. And it seems like if you get some painter's tape and put it over there, it will help prevent cracking. And then what you could also do is, I'm gonna start it right here. That way I don't have to worry about that divot. I feel like that's gonna be a problem. I'll do more than one hole if it works, but I'm gonna use a nice slow speed. I'm gonna use a face mask to not deal with any of this dust. From what I've seen, it's like, don't let the bit get too hot. Don't let the bit wander, and use some painter's tape to prevent cracking. So let's see how it goes. Okay, wow, it was way easier than I thought it would be. So yeah, no problem at all going into this unglazed, again, the top is glazed, the bottom is unglazed. No problem at all going into this ceramic pot. That went straight through. I just applied a little bit of pressure and it's super clean. I could not be happier with that. Again, this is only a 1/4 inch bit. I think it's actually a 13/64. So the hole is on the small side. I'll do a few small holes and that'll be probably just as effective as doing one larger hole, but with much less risk. This is pretty fine dust, so I would definitely say wear a mask, and if you can, do it outside. Okay, so that went through as well. It took longer. I wonder if it is messing my bit up at all, or maybe I just wasn't applying much pressure. I applied more pressure at the end. I almost popped it through too hard. So you gotta be careful here. You don't really know when you're gonna get through. Let's keep going. Probably do like, I think I'll do 5 holes maybe, just to get enough drainage out of this thing. Same thing, went through too hard at the end, but seems okay. This one had some chipping around there, which makes me think that my drill bit is wearing out, and the ceramic is pretty tough and this drill bit is not designed for it. So I'm gonna try a different drill bit and we'll see if it's better or worse. Okay, I moved up to a 7/32, so just a little bit bigger, but it's a fresh bit. So we'll see how it goes. It's not so bad. Way better with a fresh bit. So I think this thing is just chewing up the bits. So keep that in mind in case you're using some drill bits that are brand new or you need them for work, or maybe they're not yours. But so far so good. And I have a bunch of these DeWalt bits, so I'm not super worried about that. I think I'll do one more hole and call it a day. Okay, so there's the inside. No cracks. The glaze got a little bit messed up, but that's completely fine. For me, there's the bottom. Some chipping as that bit got older. Here's the first hole with the skinny bit. Here's the first hole with the other bit. Both of them are super, super clean. Here's the last hole with the skinny bit. You see that one got a little chewed up. I think these bits are just not designed for ceramic, which makes a lot of sense. They sell ceramic bits and they're super expensive. They probably have some carbide in them or something fancy like that. I just had my plain old DeWalt gold plated, whatever, titanium plated, whatever they call it. But this was fine. It got the job done. I think I probably wrecked one of the bits, but I only work on wood and I don't use particularly fine work. So I don't really mind. I have a bunch of bits. So for me, this saves this flower pot, which saves me a whole lot more money than it cost me for that bit. So if you need to open up a ceramic pot, I would say go for it.